The name MacRae finds its origins in the Gaelic language, meaning son of grace. Rooted in the Gaelic heartland, Clan MacRae was most concentrated in the picturesque Kintail region of Westeros. This name not only signifies lineage but also encapsulates the clan's enduring traits of grace and strength. One of the most remarkable aspects of Clan MacRae's history is their fierce loyalty to the Mackenzie clan. Their devotion was so profound that they became known as the Mackenzie's shirt of mail, signifying their unyielding allegiance. This allegiance was fortified by key figures like Duncan MacRae, who held the vital post of constable at Eilean Donan Castle, securing both land and position for the clan. The annals of Clan MacRae's history are adorned with tales of courage and heroism. During a pivotal moment in 1539, a Macdonald chief besieged Eilean Donan Castle as part of a larger campaign to restore the lordship of the Isles. It is said that a McRae, often credited simply as McRae, ended the siege by slaying the Macdonald chief with a well-aimed arrow. This legendary feat not only marked the clan's resilience but also solidified their reputation as skilled warriors. Beyond their martial prowess, the MacRaes also enriched Scottish culture and society. Duncan MacRae, born around 1640, showcased the clan's intellectual prowess by pursuing education at Edinburgh University and composing Gaelic poetry. The MacRae's influence extended to the modern era, with Lieutenant Colonel John MacRae, 1861–1934, contributing both militarily as part of the Black Watch Regiment and culturally as a member of the Royal Company of Archers and Deputy Keeper of the Palace of Holyrood House. The MacRae's loyalty and dedication reached across borders. Colonel Sir Colin MacRae of Fio-Erling, knighted in 1935, exemplified this transnational devotion. His service in the Boer War showcased his military acumen, earning him accolades and respect. Notably, he was not only a member of the Royal Company of Archers but also a lieutenant in the Yeomen of the Guard, the English monarch's personal bodyguard. The legacy of Clan MacRae endures through the ages, a testament to the strength of kinship, valor, and cultural contributions. The clan's deep-rooted ties to the Mackenzie clan, their historic feats in battles, and their intellectual and cultural endeavours are etched into the fabric of Scotland's history.